Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video we will be checking decent cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Along with that, Campion, which is active. Orbs is a layer 3 decentralized infrastructure that extends layer 1 and layer 2 chains with fully decentralized execution for advanced DeFi and Li apps. We will be seeing everything in detail about this Campion as well as decent cryptocurrency hardware wallet. In last video we have seen 11 days ago about Year-End Gala round 2, right? In this video we will be seeing the active Campion, which is Orbs. Let's get started. Decent Year-End Gala has entered round 3 and this round 3 features Orbs, a decentralized layer 3 infrastructure project. Round 3 started already on Wednesday 31st December. Still 1 day 8 hours are left. To join, open Decent app, go to Year-End Gala dashboard and select round 3 Orbs. Let me show you how you can do it in simple steps. First of all, open Decent app. Alright. Afterwards, check here in the bottom Year-End Gala, explore all drops. Simply click on it. Here we go, Year-End Gala. Best selling wallet discount. Here you can see about rewards. Go to the on-chain Campion. Simply click on go to the on-chain Campion. Here you can read about Orbs, total rewards. 1 Orb is equal to $0.01. Here you can read about on-chain details regarding Orbs. Market cap is $51.41 million. FDV is $105 million. Circulating supply is 4.88 billion. Max supply is 10 billion. Transaction trader, all details are given here. In the info section you can see the chart of this coin. Alright, just check how you can participate in this Campion. Orbs is a layer 3 decentralized infrastructure that extends L1, L2 chains with fully decentralized execution for DeFi as well as Li apps. Here you can read about quest, means steps to join this Campion. Add Orbs account, add Orbs Ethereum to your decent wallet. Alright, this Campion is applicable for biometric users. If you have biometric wallet, you can join this Campion. Simply click on first step, which is add account. Afterwards, you can see here you can swap $50 or more to ETH. You can see here hold 6,000 Orbs or more. And last step is visit page and follow their official channels. Also, you can check here Campion bonus quest. You can earn more rewards by Campion bonus quests. Reward boosters. First 610 share 610,000 Orbs. No airdrop will be distributed unless you complete all quests, both decent and interact. Along with that, you can have swap ranking challenges. Here you can earn more Orbs. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All ranks are given here and you may check these rewards options. Notice and all information about this Campion is given here. If you want to share this Campion with your friends, simply click on share, copy the link and share with your friends and family. Basically, this Campion was applicable for biometric wallet user, correct? You can check the details about biometric wallet requirements and benefits. All rewards in the Year-End Gala are available only for decent biometric hardware wallet users. If you purchase a wallet during this period, you can receive 3 stacked benefits. First is up to 37% discount on the wallet. You can see my referral link or promo code in the video's description. With the help of this, 37% discount on the wallet. Purchase verification, airdrop, access to round 3 to round 5. Relay airdrops over the next 3 weeks. This helps you stay eligible for all remaining Campions. Make sure your wallet is ready before the Campion goes live. You can check here about the product. Simply click on products on official website and scroll down here and you can see about these device biometric authentication, instant transaction approval with your fingerprint, no passport required. Device comes with unique fingerprint technology. Instant transaction approval with your fingerprint, no passport required. Secure your private key against unauthorized access. Forgot about remembering passwords. Eliminate concerns about loss or theft. Cutting edge security to block unauthorized access. All things comes with this fingerprint technology device. All things comes with this decent cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Fingerprint technology is very unique and good, which makes more secure. Robust technology is already involved. Safeguard your cryptocurrency with unique 4 technologies, providing complete protection against hacking. Certified security chip, which comes with CC